Yes, that is a big ass hole in the engineered wood flooring we've literally just laid and fitted a kitchen over the top of. Lucky for us, we know a really interesting process called the knot trick, and we're going to do it on this video so you can actually watch. These are a very important part of the repair. I'm going to put a link for these in the description and at the very top of the comments section for you, along with plenty of other things from the video that you might be interested in as well. So, dear viewers, what do you think? Give us a thumbs up if you think it's good, and give us a comment if you think it's bad and let me know why it's bad. In about a week when the video is finished, top left of the screen will be my bench video where I build a bespoke storage bench. Probably my best video yet, so if you haven't seen it, click on it, have a watch. Or if you want to know the answer to the age-old question, what's better for cutting around boiler pipes, a jigsaw or a trim router, click the top right. Subscribe button's right there in the middle as well.